Metadata driven ETL pipeline. Today we are going to talk about how to create a DLT pipeline using metadata driven approach. It means we can configure as many tables as possible to do a ingestion using one single pipeline. So that was what the approach. For that I am creating the metadata tables with few columns like dataset name, source dataset type, source catalog name, and source catalog volume, path, everything. So here in this example I am taking sample from Unity catalog to another Unity catalog. I am just ingesting the data because later some point if you want to use the cloud, you can try all the options. Now I am checking Unity catalog to Unity catalog. So first I am inserting two entries into this table, metadata DLT test, and then I am going to look at the data what I have inserted. So when I see that, it shows two entries over there because I made two entries to move two tables. One is customer tables, another one is order tables, and depends upon the source. Some of the columns are applicable, some of the columns are you can make it null. Okay, now we are coming to that how to create a GLT pipeline. So if you go to jobs and pipelines, so you can go and create a GLT pipeline here. Okay, so if we go to ETL pipeline and create a sample new pipeline altogether, so I'm going to use metadata DLT test and empty file. So I'm using Python as an option, and I've selected the Python option. Now my new pipeline is ready. I'm going to copy my existing code which I already created. I'm going to paste it and show it how it is working as a metadata GLT pipeline. So I'm going to rename it metadata driven GLT pipeline. So that is my pipeline name, and under that I'm going to take my previous code and I'm going to paste it. So this is my entire code. I'm going to use it here. So first step is I'm reading the data. You see that spark.read table. I'm reading the data and then I'm doing iteration over here. So I'm iterating all the columns and then reading target and source information, and then I'm creating the data table out of it. So now this is created as a materialized view, but actually source we are not looking for material. We are going to make it as a streaming. So now I'm going to change it to stream. Okay, so read stream dot table. So now if I execute again, it will show my read stream. It will be a streaming table. So the advantage of streaming table is it will keep the CDC enabled, and then it will maintain the checkpoint till what time data we were read, and then next time if we execute from that checkpoint, it will start to read the data. If you want to get entire data, maybe previous date record also, you can do a full refresh. So we have two option pipeline setting. One is triggered and continuous. Triggered nothing but you can trigger it via job or you can trigger it via manually. That is trigger. Continuous means similarly you can trigger it via job or you can trigger it via manually. Continuous means it keep on running. Whenever new data comes, it's populated, but it will make sure that your cluster is up and running all the time. So that is where the cost also comes into the crucial role here, right? So now we are going to check that we executed the pipeline. I'm going to check that what is my source data. Source data I'm using bronze, and destination data I'm going to use the silver. So both the data I'm checking that whether my orders data it's coming correct. Yes, orders data is coming correct. So I'm going to check that what is my orders data here, and then I can check the customer data as well. The next step is I have populated two tables, right? So I'm going to check the what is my orders tables as well. So now I will go and check the orders tables, and I'm going to do the full refresh again. Okay, so full refresh, just want to show that how full refresh work for you. Full refresh, what will do is it will ingest the data again. I got 2 records and 6 records. So now we'll go back and see that what was my target table look like. So DLT, orders DLT, I've checked it. Order DLT, it should look like 6 records, and I can see that all 6 records are available in my silver table. So I can check the customer tables. Okay, oh god, I'm using the orders again, so I'll take the customers now. So customers underscore DLT, so it should look like 2 records. Yes, correct, it's perfectly matched. That means our code is working fine for depends upon the table we are configuring. Okay, so if you like this video,